Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 9, variable and conditional statement in Scratch. In this chapter we are going to study about the variables, logical operators, conditional statements, or creating a scene and story. So basically in this chapter we are going to talk about variables and conditional statements in Scratch. So first we learn what is a Scratch. Scratch is one of the easiest language to understand the basics of programming. So it provides a fun visual environment to create a program. You have already learned to use various blocks and sprites to create animation. In our previous chapter, we have learned that how to create an animation in a particular slide. But when we talk about a video or a picture in which we want to create an animation effect, so at that time we use Scratch programming. Okay, so let us now learn about some advanced programming concepts such as variables and conditional statements. So first is variable. A variable is a location in the computer memory that has a name and stores data temporarily. Variable is basically a location in a computer memory or your PC memory that has a name. It has a particular name and it stores data temporarily. It means that at the for further you can change the data value of your variable. Okay, so the value of a variable can be changed using the execution of a program. So variables are used to manipulate data values in animation and games such as coordinates of a sprite, size and color of a sprite. Sprite means for example you have played a game. Okay, so the player is a particular sprite. Okay, you can change its size, its color, its orientation by using a variable. Okay, so now as variable blocks. Variable in Scratch are represented and manipulated by variable blocks. If you want to change the data value of a variable, that means you have to use variable blocks. These blocks are used to assigning value to a variable, changing value during execution of a project, or hiding or displaying a variable and more. Variable blocks is used to assign a particular value to a variable, such as hiding or displaying a variable. जो आपका particular variable है उसे hide करना and display करना at the time of execution of a program is done by variable block. So here are some common blocks or variable blocks in Scratch. First is set block. Set block is used to set the specified value to the specified variable. Change block is used to change the value of a specified variable by a specified value. Show variable is used to make the variable visible and display its value on the stage. Hide variable is used to make the variable invisible and hides its value on the stage. That's it.